Ever tried kneading dough and lost 3 limbs? Me, I'll wing it. Dough. We disagree loudly. Mixer playlist? More like sad squeaky arm opera. Stop. There's a better way than elbow sweat. Introducing my secret weapon, KitchenAid Artisan Contour Silver. 5-quart bowl. Bake 9 dozen cookies. Zero panic. Tilt head lift. Dramatic reveal oil. No flour explosion today. 10 speeds. From gentle stir to whipped cloud mania. Planetary action mixes every nook like tiny tornadoes. Heavy-duty die-cast body, built tougher than your arguments. Pouring shield saves counter, dignity, and sauce stains. Universal hub. Turn it into grinder, pasta maker, empire. Included whisk, paddle, dough hook. 3 bake superheroes. Hosting. Shredded chicken in minutes. Applause guaranteed everywhere. $325 motor hums like content creators editing videos. Over 20 colors. Match kitchen. Personality. Mood swings. Serious bakers love it. Neighbors will request cookies weekly. Tiny apartment. Compact footprint. Huge baking energy output. Wave goodbye to lumpy batter and unhappy cupcakes. Attachment club. Over 10 options. Endless culinary chaos. It's basically a kitchen Swiss Army knife, but louder. Mix, knead, whip, shred, do the whole menu. Cleaning. Bowl lifts off. Pour shield rinses. Life simplified. Durability test. Still spinning after 3 holiday seasons. Gift it. Newlyweds, bakers, anyone who loves carbs. Seriously, your cookie game levels up to legendary. Budget? Think lifelong appliance, not disposable single-use nonsense. Final truth. KitchenAid Artisan is my culinary cheating device. Click, buy, bake, flex. Send neighbor a cupcake apology. Warning, you might start hosting weekly bake battles. You will find the links for this stand mixer in the description and comment section. Please subscribe and follow the channel.